Assalamu alaikum students. আজি তোমালোকৰ chapter 2 more about computers. ঠিক আছে? Computer system. A computer is an amazing electronic machine that works on the principle of IPO circle. Computer এটা amazing electronic machine যেটো IPO circle কাম কৰে. IPO মানে কি? What is the meaning of IPO? Input, processing, output. কিবা এটা বস্তু আমি এটা সোমাই দিব লাগিব data বা instruction. Computer হেতু process কৰিব আৰু তাৰ পৰা আমি result পাম. হেতু কয় output. A computer system mainly consists of hardware and software devices. Computer mainly কি থাকে? Hardware থাকে আৰু software থাকে. Let's learn about them. Hardware in computer. All the parts of a computer which we can see and touch are called hardware. Computer যিবিলাক parts আমি দেখিব পাৰো, touch কৰিব পাৰো, সেইবিলাকক hardware বুলি কয়. Based on their uses, they can be classified into following categories. তাৰ ইউজেছৰ ওপৰত বেছ কৰি পেলাই দুটা ভাগত ভগাইছে ইনপুট ডিভাইচ আউটপুট ডিভাইচ ইনপুট ডিভাইচ মানে যিবিলাক ডিভাইচেৰে আমি কম্পিউটাৰৰ ভিতৰত ডাটা বা ইনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যন সোমাই দিওঁ সেইবিলাকক ইনপুট ডিভাইচ কয় আউটপুট মানে যিবিলাক ডিভাইচেৰে ৰিজাল্ট ওলাই আহে যেনে মনিটৰে ৰিজাল্টটো দেখা পাওঁ স্পীকাৰেৰে কথাবিলাক ওলাই আহে আৰু প্ৰিণ্টাৰেৰে ওলাই আহে কাগজখন ঠিক আছে Saba input device ka koi. An input device is a device that helps us to feed instruction, data, information into the computer. Input device bilak he bilak device jibilake amak instruction, data, information computer bhitor humai diat help kore. Further, they are processed before giving the input. They are processed before giving the input. Input diar agot he bilake process hoy. The keyboard and the mouse are two basic input devices in a computer system. Computer system or duta basic input device hoise keyboard aru mouse saba keyboard let's learn about some input devices kedaman input device or kotha kobo yate keyboard a keyboard is used to feed data into the computer by pressing the key ami computer switch bilak tipi pelai keyboard or help data bilak computer bhorai diu keyboard is used keyboard use kora hoy data bilak computer bhitor humai dibo kane the data is fed in the form of word and numbers data bilak word aru number or form ot humai dia computer based on their functioning your functioning upor base kori the key on the keyboard are divided in the following groups keyboard or keyboard belek bhagot bhogaise saba ki bhagot bhogaise alphabet keys The alphabet keys, the numeric keys, the symbol keys and the punctuation keys are collectively called alphanumeric keys. Alphanumeric keys mane alphabet keys that A, B, C dhai rakhe. Numeric keys jot number thake 1, 2, 3. Symbol key jot comma, full stop ebilak thake. And the punctuation key ebilak ekelage ki koy alphanumeric keys boli koy. Ei gote bilagok ekelage ki kobo alphanumeric keys. Tarpisot function keys. Egita hoise function keys. Function keys, the keys which label F1, F2, F3, F4 and so on up to F12 are called function keys. They are used to perform special tasks. Jibilak switch out F1, F2, F12 boloke likha thake ebilak function keys koy. Tate special kaam koribo pare he switch bilakor pora. Tarpisot control keys, ebilak control keys. The control keys are used either alone or in combination with some other keys to do certain tasks. Control keys bilak okole kaam kore ba duta control switch to logor aru eta switch tipi pelai control key use koribo pari. Control keys or example hoise control alt egita ei duta control keys. Tabasot hoise navigation key. The navigation keys are used to move around in a document. Navigation key bilak document ot ami cursor dal move koribo paru. They are located in between standard keyboard and the numeric keyboard. Egita koy navigation keyboard. The keys arrow keys, home keys and page down, insert, delete are navigation key. Ebilak hoise navigation keys. Tarpisot Numeric keys. Numeric keys মানে যিবিলাক switchৰ number লিখা থাকে. The keys on the keyboard that are used to do arithmetic calculation are grouped together in a block. These are called numeric keys. এইবিলাক যি আছে এইবিলাকক কয় numeric keys. ঠিক আছে এইখিনি আজি তোমালোকৰ কীবোৰ্ডৰ ওপৰত ঠিক আছে এইখিনি this was your lesson today এইখিনি তুমি আজি পঢ়িবা ভালকৈ